Hi everyone, if you're a free CapCut user, here's how you can use the premium or pro features for free. Yes, you heard it right. For absolutely nothing. First, just edit your project as usual and use whatever pro features you wish to use on your project. For example, for my current project here, I use a pro title template, a pro transition, and a pro music. Once you finish editing and are ready to export your video, select all tracks, right-click on any one of the clips, and then create a compound clip. Now right-click the resulting compound clip, and then click Pre-process compound clip. CapCut will then create an intermediate video, which is basically the same as the final video you would get by exporting your project, except that its resolution is fixed to the project's resolution, which should not be a problem at all, and the best of all, it contains all the pro features you use in your project. To locate this pre-processed compound clip, you will need to go to your project folder. For example, for my case here, I will need to go to this project folder. Go back to your CapCut homepage, and then open the settings on the CapCut settings under Draft. Click the Save to Folder button. Click on the empty area on the address bar and then copy the path. Now open your File Explorer, paste the copied path to the address bar, and then press Enter. Locate your project folder and then open it on your project folder. Open Resources and then Combination. You should find a video for which is the pre-processed compound clip. We did earlier play the video, and you would see that it's basically the same as the final video you would get from exporting your project, with a big bonus of pro features. From here, you can now copy it and paste it to your desired location. Hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.